Hi. So here we can see we're interacting with Rasa through Unity, which is communicating these requests through ngrok, which is also our expected behavior that should happen on Slack. But anyway, so we'll continue here, and I will say, what is colon cancer? And I'll click send, and then we can see here that Rasa will say colon cancer starts in the large intestine, moving to the digestive tract, and then we can say, what are the symptoms? Cancer, question mark. And we can see Rasa is letting us know the symptoms, so a persistent change in bowel habits and so forth. And that was done through a custom action. What are the risk factors in colon cancer? So we can also look at this, and then Rasa responds. We can fill out the form. I want to fill in the colon cancer symptoms. Rasa will ask a series of questions to us. And I'll say four in this case for the ID. I'll say name is Timothy. Today, time right now 7:15. Well, habits, we'll say stool, white color, muscle. If you notice any muscle weakness, I'll say false. Notice any energy fatigue, I'll say false. Have you noticed any rectal bleeding? False. You notice any blood and poo? False. So as we can see, Tim here looks like he's pretty good. Say pain, the abdomen. So conversation so far. Okay, so now it's, have you felt like your bowel isn't empty? I'll say false. Have you experienced unexplained weight loss? False. Okay, so now we can see the acknowledgement. Your colon cancer symptoms recorded are here, and then sent symptoms to the SpringBoot. So let's see what SpringBoot look like. Over here, so we can see SpringBoot received our data. And if we do a select here, we can see now Timothy is also in the table and the data was stored successfully. So given that we had moved to working on the app from Slack, I stopped testing on Unity. Else, I probably would have also encountered some of these, formatting issues and text sort of like being off the screen. Or, I could have added like a cursor here too to move horizontally like I can vertically. But the idea with the GI Cancers Gallery application was that, you could walk up to a portrait and have a conversation with a conversational AI agent who is knowledgeable in that area. And so, in this case, to the right, we have a portrait of the different stages of colon cancer. In this case, these are the polyps. So this would be more like a Paris classification or a Kudo-Pitt. So Paris being like the shape of the polyp, this like round object there, whereas like Kudo-Pitt would be the texture of the polyp. So having that image up close and then the expert to talk to would create like a engaging conversation for the patient. So thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the demo and presentation.